In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renewal of Hostinger hosting and how to stop Autopay on Hostinger. This process is vital if you're looking to manage your subscriptions closely or plan to switch your hosting service without facing unexpected charges. Now, let's get started on how to achieve this step by step. Firstly, you want to open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're on the website, make sure you're signed into your Hostinger account using your login credentials. The home interface is designed to be user-friendly, so finding your way should be straightforward. What we're aiming for here is the billing section, which holds all the details about your subscriptions. Once you're logged in, you want to direct your attention to the top menu bar where you should see a billing tab. Hover over it and click on the subscriptions option. This will lead you to a page showing all your active subscriptions. This section is crucial as it provides you with the complete overview of what services you're currently paying for and their respective billing details. Here you will likely see various services listed under your account. This is where things get interesting. Look for the specific service for which you wish to turn off auto-renewal. Click to highlight that particular service. This will expand its details and provide you any further options related to the subscription. Next, now that you've selected the service, carefully search for an option that says Disable or Cancel Auto-Renewal. Click on it. This action is pivotal as it stops your subscription from automatically renewing once your current term ends. This means you won't be charged at the end of the billing cycle. Make sure to double-check that the auto-renewal cancellation is confirmed, so you can rest easy knowing you won't be billed unexpectedly. It's worth mentioning that the option to disable auto-renewal might not be glaringly obvious due to various updates in the interface design. If this is the case, keep your eyes peeled or try looking for account settings where such options are usually tucked away. Once you have successfully turned off the auto-renewal, you can rest assured that you maintain control over your hosting expenses. This gives you the flexibility to renew services only when you decide to. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your hosting or subscriptions. Always remember to check the confirmation message, or even better, revisit the billing section whenever you log in next to ensure the settings are as you desire. Thank you for following along. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful guides in the future. Take control of your subscriptions, one click at a time.